Hello and welcome to my live. I am Jenny here with Wigs.com to show you a few summer styles that I think you might like. We're going to go from shortest to longest, and they're all on the shorter side, but they're all brunette with light highlights, beautiful light highlights, and they're all wavy. A couple of them are synthetic and one is a heat-friendly synthetic. So I'll go over the differences and a couple little tips and tricks about maintaining. So we'll start with our Dance by Ellen Wille. When I first pulled her out of the box, I tried her on and quickly noticed that her cap is a little small. Ellen Wille tends to run petite average, and if you watched my live from a couple weeks ago, you saw that my Esprits, I wear them, they fit just perfectly on me, but for some reason this one was a little bit smaller, so just take note of that. The cap on Dance is, you have your left side mono part with an extended lace hairline up through the front. Your open wefts for breathability, great for summertime and the heat. You have your tabs here, they're super soft, right at your ears. And then you have your extended nape, which also brings you more comfort. Your adjustable tabs here with Velcro. And of course with this, I have it on the most open setting to give myself as much room to try her on. The color is sandy blonde rooted. And as the name says, it does have roots. It's a rooted color. This root is, I would say, a medium brown with lighter ends. This is a regular synthetic. So regular synthetics look a little bit shiny right out of the gate. That shine will wear off over time, but it's that silicone right on there. It's a beautiful blonde color. My second is January by Jon Renau. And I had never seen this one before, but I've seen it online and I've seen it on others, and I really loved it and was really excited to see it. So this is January, a little bit longer than Dance. The waves are so cute. And this color is pralines, shaded pralines and cream. It's also a rooted color. This is pretty warm. The waves are really pretty. Let's see the cap underneath. You have your full monofilament top with lace front. Of course your wefting, open wefting, that breathability, the tabs here, the soft tabs, and the extended nape with the adjusters, the Velcro adjusters. Turn her around again. Again, this one is also regular synthetic, so you'll see a little bit more shine on these ones, but low maintenance. So regular synthetic versus heat-friendly synthetic. Regular synthetic is going to last you longer. So if that matters to you, and there's so many different factors that go into it, but if that matters, that a piece has a shelf life a little bit longer than the heat-friendly, then you might want to stick with regular synthetics. But sometimes we don't have a choice. So if we really love a particular style and it only comes in heat-friendly, because unfortunately they don't come out with a style and one is synthetic and the other is heat-friendly. It is what it is. You get what you get. So if you really love a style, you're willing to compromise and go for that heat-friendly style just because you love it. So January, though, is a regular synthetic. And I'll try all of these on in just a minute. We'll get through just the construction of them first and just some tips and tricks, and then we'll get to trying them on, the fun part. Here is my last of the three. This is Wavy Day, fan favorite. Everybody knows about Wavy Day by Raquel Welch. This is the longest of the three that I have to show you. The brown here is sort of a neutral brown with golden highlights throughout. And this is Shaded Iced Cafe Latte. So it's very similar to this color that I'm wearing here. And this is Beltress Caliente in Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. That's a really good comparison right there. I hadn't even noticed that before. No wonder why I love this one. Let's see, real quick, we'll go over the cap. This one is your full monofilament top, parting flexibility, your lace front here, your open wefts, but yet on this one, our open wefts have silicone here lining it just for a little bit extra support or grip, if you will. The ear tabs and your extended nape here. I wear my adjusters all the way tightened on my Raquel Welch's, just because her caps fit average. Here we go. So let's start. We'll start by trying on Dance by Ellen Wille. And remember, this one is on the smaller side on my head, so I'll try her on and give you a show. But I don't think she'll work for me, because she's super cute and she'll work for somebody. I know it. We have Dance. Okay, cute. The color is so cute. This is shorter than what I'm used to, but oh my gosh, perfect for summer. So you'll see, it just doesn't come down far enough. I could probably pull it off and wear it, but let's see the other side. See, it just pulls right up there. It needs to be a little longer in this area, but if you have a smaller head circumference than I have, mine is 21.5, this would absolutely work for you. She's cute. I mean, summertime, so the less amount of friction that these wigs, these synthetics get, the longer they will last. And so if you have a synthetic that is not rubbing against your clothes all day, that synthetic will last so much longer than your longer ones will last. So in summertime, what do we want? We need to cool off. Cooling off means no hair on our neck. So these shorter wavy styles are super cute for, well, style, but then also function. It's cute. I'll give you a little 360. Again, this is a little short for me, but I love it. It's really cute. All right, side, here's the back. And then your other side, I've done nothing to style this at all. Again, this is no heat, and so you could use a little bit, your hands to help manipulate these fibers the way you want them to go, or you can use a little bit of a hair dryer to help manipulate the flow of the hair, but it's cute. I'm really into kind of like a little messy, undone look, but still put together. That's kind of like my little mantra. All right, that was Dance by Ellen Wille. We'll get January on here. And again, January in shaded pralines and cream. And I've tried each of these on just once before. So I've done nothing to the style at all. Oh, gotta get that around. Hold please, technical difficulty. All right. Okay, big adjustment, hold on. So we have ear tabs here. Okay. Ooh, boom. Okay. The color on this is super beautiful. It's, again, this is just your regular synthetic, and so you're gonna have a little bit of shine to it initially until that shine kind of wears down a little bit. Dry shampoo would help. Spritz a little on throughout, and that'll kind of dull that shine a little bit. Cute. Oh, I've always wanted to see this one on. Again, this is no styling at all. This is just throw on, and this is pretty much what you get. I've already broken up that part up here the last time I put it on, so that's already done. Yeah, another cute summer look. Show you the back. And then your side here. Cute. The density on this, I would say, is medium. Kind of light to medium, thereabouts. I can feel more, you have a little bit of little bit of permalift up here at the top, but only to give it that volume. Very cute. Here you go. This is January by Jon Renau. Shaded pralines in cream. All right, let's see our last and final. And this is our Wavy Day by Raquel Welch. And nope, here she is. And let's get her on. She is the longest of the three, and I would say the most dense of the three. She has quite a bit of hair, and I had to get used to that initially when I first started wearing wigs, but I'm used to it now. Okay, let me adjust her. About 4 fingers is where you want to be, your measurement, from the top of your eyebrows to your lace front. This one is heat friendly. And so it does require heat. And so being heat friendly doesn't just mean that you could put heat on it, essentially. It means that it needs heat. So it's a little tough with these wavy and curly heat-friendly synthetics, I will admit. So a straight heat-friendly synthetic, you can just flat iron it and run some heat through the ends when they get a little frizzy. But with these curly ones, you can't run a flat iron through it. And if you do, you will take this curl out for good. Like for good, it's gone. So the next time you wash it and let it air dry, it will be straight. So you have to be very careful of that. You'll have to go in and put these waves back in. And even though I am pretty talented with the curling iron, it's kind of hard to achieve. I will admit that. So an alternative for that is to use a steamer on these wavy pieces. So when you're starting to feel like these, and you'll feel it, when they start to feel a little bit dry, your ends, and they kind of clump together a little bit, it needs heat. So get your steamer and put your wig onto a wig rack. I have these little plastic ones that I purchased, and use your steam just on the ends. You'll get a wide tooth comb, always a wide tooth comb, and you'll just kind of gently, very gently, comb through as you're steaming, and that will help refresh these ends. Another thing, the more friction that these pieces get, the shorter their lifespan will be. So the less these fibers hit your clothes or a brush, no brushes, even combing through every single time, your wig lifespan is shortened. So you have to be very careful with these fibers. Another thing that I do is I detangle my wigs after each use, after each wear. So I'll take it off at the end of the day or whenever I'm taking it off, and I'll lay her on her back on the countertop, and I'll spray some detangler into the nape. And again, with a fine tooth comb, just gently from the bottom up to the base, comb through and get those little tangles out. It's inevitable that it will tangle. It will absolutely happen, but it's just part of it. So it's something to know. These blonde pieces are so pretty. I love this piece, by the way. So Wavy Day is hands down my favorite piece, I think, of all time. But of these three, for summertime, for the functionality of the fact that it's so hot outside, especially down here in Texas, I think I might have to vote for January. I like the fact that she's off of my neck, and just those shorter waves are so cute, and the lighter density helps too. So I think January might be my front runner of these three. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour of these three cuties, and yeah, thanks for watching my live. Here's my front view. Here's side and the back of Wavy Day, and another side view. Which one is your favorite? Have a great day. Thanks.